Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria and I'm the girl behind the blog, Sweet Life Housewife. Today I'm getting ready to pack for my trip to Portugal. It's been long awaited and of course I'm kind of rushing to pack, but I know what I like to take with me when I go to Europe. I've packed for Europe a bunch and I've traveled around the world to Asia and Taiwan and stuff too. So anyway, I pretty much know what I want to pack, so it's not that big of a deal to do it too. For me, the most important things to have in your carry-on are things that you can't replace. You don't want to have anything in luggage underneath that could possibly get lost or stolen or anything like that at the airport. You want to have everything that you need, like medicine and stuff, on you. So to that point, I have this bag here, which has like some pain medicine in case I needed it, like if a filling broke or something. And then I got these little things at the Container Store. And they have my thyroid medicine and some Xanax in case I started having some kind of anxiety attack. I have Pepto-Bismol tablets and Benadryl. Don't leave home without Benadryl. I have it in my purse. I have it in my carry-on. I have a couple of Alka-Seltzers in here and stuff too. Just so I have some emergency items if I run out of my thyroid medicine. I have extras. I have a dental kit in case like a filling were to break or something like that, and some toothache kind of stuff, just because I've had some really rotten luck with my teeth and I would hate to be lost without it. So I put these medicines in the front pocket of the backpack, and then inside the front pocket is a little zipper pocket. So these are really secure and I know exactly where they are if I need them. So put those down in there. I also have this like little bag that rolls up small, so if I need an extra bag for anything, I have one handy. And then this, like my thyroid medicine, I take one strength one day, 90, and then I take 120 the next day, so I alternate them in these little pill packs. And then this is just random. I have like a walking pharmacy in here, but this has like some Advil, some Zantac, Benadryl, aspirin, and this little thing for my pills. So we have a variety of things if we run into any problems. And also I have this kind of organizes my hair stuff. There's like a little clip in there and a headband and some ponytail holders in case, I want to work out or something like that. I know exactly where they are. If I have it in too small of a container, I have a tendency to lose things. So anyway, that's that. And then these are my earrings that I'll want to wear on my trip. They're these David Yurman hoops, and they're yellow and gold, so they match all hardware on everything that I might take with me. And hopefully one of them is still in here. Okay, yes. So then the other ones are these little pearls that I wear in the second hole. So I keep them in the secure pocket of my front thing on my, like with my pills, because I don't want to lose track of them. And then I just have an extra pouch, so if I take any other jewelry off, I can put it in my pouch and put it in my safe spot so I know where it is and not lose track of anything. So that's that. And let's see, I have these ear planes in case my sinuses were bothering me or anything. You can stick these in your ears so that helps with the pressure when you're flying. And Zyrtec, and then this is Arnicare, which is like a natural anti-inflammatory. It helps if you have like a bruise or something like that. So now, some important stuff that I don't want to be lost without is my toothbrush. I absolutely love this toothbrush. It's the Philips Sonicare. It's kind of like a millennial pink color, and I love this toothbrush, and we're going to be gone for like 2 weeks, so I definitely am bringing this with me, and I don't want it to get lost, so I'm taking it in my carry-on in the bigger part. And then this is my other cream, and this is something important because we're going to want to charge our stuff. I don't want to have to go on a goose chase. I'm not sure if our hotels are going to have adapters, so I want to take our adapter in my carry-on as well. And I have a dress that's really small. I've got it in this Ziploc bag, but it's a dress and a pair of underwear in case I don't have my clothes when I get off the plane. If something happened and it took a day or two, I want to have at least one outfit to get started for the first day and some clean clothes. So that is going to go in the bottom of that because I'm hoping, I'm hoping that's not a problem. Then I'm also taking my iPad for the plane, and also I might have movies on here that we could watch something at nighttime if we wanted to, because we couldn't sleep. Sometimes it's tricky. And then what else? The stuff is not coming. These are really cool. This is a wine label remover, and so sometimes if we're on a special trip or drinking a special bottle of wine, I might want to take the label and keep it like for my memory book. So these are awesome, and I put that somewhere safe too. And then I have stevia because I like to have stevia with my stuff. A nail file and a Tide stick are kind of wrapped up in here. And this is I'm not taking. This is really important. This compartment, I have this extra phone. You charge this into the wall, and if your battery dies, you stick your phone in here, and then there's a button on the back where you can hit it and it charges your phone back up for you. And then when it's done, you just put it away, put your normal case back on. But I definitely want to have this because the most time that I ever run out of battery is when I'm somewhere taking pictures and stuff a lot. So I actually should put this in my purse, but it's in my carry-on for now. And some tan towels. So if I start losing my tan, I can spruce it back up. I have a travel umbrella with this very lightweight. All of my chargers and stuff like that are in here, and another Tide stick. I must stain my clothes a lot. Some earphones that are extra ones that I got on Delta, but I'll take them with me just in case. I have cards in case we want to play cards or anything at night. We're going with a group of people, so I'm not sure if we'll hang out at the hotel at all. But I always like to have those just in case you run into a situation where you can use them. And then this are it's a hair clip, and it also has some of my toiletries in here, like makeup and stuff like that. That I'll carry with me just in case the other stuff got lost. I would at least have some essentials in this little thing. And I'm going to try, a lint roller. I think I'll put this in my suitcase. I'm going to try to put this in my backpack. That is my purse backpack, but I only want to carry one carry-on, and I'm going to have my Chihuahua with me, so I only want to have to carry my backpack and her in her bag. So actually that will work. It's only a couple hours to Massachusetts, and then she'll stay with my parents once we get there. So that's it. That's what I've got in my carry-on, and I've got my passport and stuff in my bag. You can take a look at that video if you missed it, because it has things that somebody might normally put in their backpack, but I have it in my backpack, or in my carry-on, excuse me, because it's in my handbag. So that's going to be my day bag. It's going to be my everyday, at night bag and everything. I'm not going to take an evening bag because I think it's going to be a little bit more casual on this trip. Not too many, not that we're not going to go to nice restaurants, but not super, fancy. I don't think we're doing any Michelin restaurants this time. So I'm going to just kind of keep it simple. And plus, because I do have my dog that I'm taking for 2 of the 4 legs of the trip, I don't want to overextend myself with what I'm carrying around. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have the Pack With Me for Europe edition that covers a suitcase, the handbag, and the carry-on. So if you missed any of those, there's a playlist. You can go check them out in the description box below. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys!